Okay, next figure I'm going to talk about is this one. Gotta love the effects. Let me get rid of the filter. Okay. Tiger can be anything. I forgot the name of the artist. Produced by 52 Toys, made in China. Changeable Panchu series. Pangzhu. Is it Pangzhu? Fat Pig. Pangzhu series. Pangzhu? I think so. I love the box as everything's written here. 6 designs plus a hidden edition. And it's interesting because you don't need to collect, not saying don't need to collect a whole lot. That's not fair to say. It's a 6-piece set plus a hidden. It suddenly dawned on me, or it's not something I've realized before, because every time we see a blind box series, it's like a huge over 10 pieces, 15 pieces, 12 pieces. But 6 pieces is like seemingly achievable. Does it make sense? Adorable, lah. It's in Chinese. Sorry, man. I can't help you there, man. My Chinese sucks. 我不是什么虎，我不是胖虎。I'm not fat. I imagine this word is 胖 lah. I might be wrong, man. 我不是胖虎. I think. 15.90 or so Sing dollars. So it is okay. I like the box. I like the you can see from here. Wow, I'm talking about people's box, man. Whereas glossy print versus matte. You can see glossy print, foil print. Nice, lah. Nice as a box. Nice as a box. Anyway, rip into it. I'll just spare myself the pain. Let's have a look inside. Okay. Same 52 Toys have 2 cards. Why are there 2 cards? Interesting. Oh, how come got 2 cards? Chase or just not chase now. I think it's a mistake. Never mind. We'll check it out later. For folks who have just come on, I'm doing an unboxing of the figures I purchased yesterday at the shop I came across going out with family. This is not a sponsored unboxing or whatnot. It's just me trying to enjoy toys in my life, even though I might not be able to afford them. Yeah, maybe I'm just giving myself a treat as the year ends. Yeah. Foil bag. Let's rip into it. Rip into it. It's I think it's ridiculous. Suddenly in my mind, I'm not gonna lie. I put a foil bag there. I think I found 2 of the cards inside. Then I realized, yeah, this basically shows what the figure is, lah. Yeah, it does, lah. Oh, got scratch card. Ooh, got scratch card. So maybe it's supposed to come with 2 cards. I don't know. I'll find out the scratch cards later. If I win something, I don't know what I win. Do I win something? I don't know, man. 2 cards, lah. Let's have a look. Then I just spoiled myself with the shark. It's the shark. Yeah, it's the shark. It's the shark. It's hilarious, man. Wow, that's a lot of stuff coming in. It comes with the base, and it comes in a Ziploc bag. Oh, good heavens! I love this. I love it because it's a Ziploc bag. I don't have the pain of needing to cut into a piece of plastic. Let's have a look at the stand first. Pretty dude here, lah. Huh? Don't show you. I always save the best for last. Anyway, this is the. Oh wow, this is the stand. I don't know if y'all can see it. Milky clear plastic, not acrylic, plastic. Wow. Wow. Sorry, man. I think this might be a keeper. Anyway. The derp face. Derp. Not really derp lah. Happy. Happy shark. Happy shark. You can see the joint, maybe 2 pieces is combined. Yeah, okay. I'm looking at the piece with my eyes and not through my lens. And I keep on reminding myself, pose for the lens, because that's what this unboxing is about. But I like the little fades they do. The current quality of blind box figures is undeniable. Of course, subject to which company makes them. And it has come to a point where, for example, for Imagine, I'm trying to make sense of it without over promoting. Like for Bu2ma, a lot of the figures come with designated who are the artists who does it. Not all, but most of them does. And a lot for the other brands like 52 Toys and whatnot, you don't necessarily know, or maybe it's written in Chinese, I don't understand. But you cannot deny that it's no longer just like a platform toy where it used to be a dummy with different artists' interpretation and skin designs, or a bare brick with similar 100% size and design but different skins. Now blind boxes are not blind boxes feature multiple different sculpts. That makes a lot of difference, man. I mean, I'm opening this and I'm thinking, should I sell this? Should I sell this? But this dude is hilarious, man. And what I'm thinking is, if I'm able to, I might try for the entire set, but yeah, maybe not in the near future. Anyway, ooh, let me see what the instruction says. Sideways. Doesn't clip. So it clips at the tail. Not clip, but clasp. Wow, this is nice. This is pretty. Let me put here. If this makes sense. Cute lah. Wait, let me get into camera. Again, I'm looking at my eyes. Not high enough, too high. Okay, does this make sense? Ta-da! Okay, a shark in action. Hilarious lah. Wow, hilarious. I like that it's not a straight fit. It looks as if it's swerving into the sea. Nice. Okay, let's play with the aspect of scratch card. Need to find a coin. Wow, thank goodness got coin. Ta-da! Oh, I never thought I needed to do this. Let me see if I can adjust my camera a little bit more. I'm filming on a tripod. Ooh, the darkness. Can lah. Let's do it like this. Can see? Now let's do it like this. Okay. Give me a moment. What do I win? I have no idea what I would win. Do I win anything? Yeah, I love it when the aspect of toys come to something. Of course. What does it say? Actually, I should do it like this so the camera can see and not see a chubby hand and shot. What does it say? What does it say? It's a Sure, I should scrap. What happened to the people? Oh, okay. Anyway, it's a code word lah. It's a code word. So I'll find out what this is later, and I'll post on my Instagram to let folks know what's going on. Regardless, this is what you get. Go down. This is fun lah. I mean, I wish in my heart of wishes I could afford toys and do unboxings constantly, but everybody's doing unboxing now. Everybody who can afford is doing an unboxing, so it's not about yeah, it goes back to the early days of toy blogging in my context here, where a lot of folks blog about the toys they bought, and it has always been a very collector-led, I don't know if that's a word for it, I might think of another word for it, very collector-led situation here where, oh yeah, it's not crooked, I placed crooked, so it's where collector situation, sorry, where folks buy and review the toys, so there isn't an impetus for anybody to sponsor any unboxing because people pay money for the boxes and they advertise for free with doing the unboxing. Does it make sense?